What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be talking about a sample I just received, and it's going to be Parfums de Marly's new release. So I believe, yeah, I believe this is their newest release. I did get this sent to me, I guess by them, but I mean, it's just a sample. It's not it's a full bottle. But yeah, it's Castley. From what I've heard, it's pretty similar to Sedley. I haven't really, well, I do own Sedley. I just haven't really worn it too much since I bought it, just because the temperature here in Buffalo has gotten a little bit colder. Let's go ahead and spray this on skin, because why not? Out in the air, I kind of see why people relate it to Sedley. But let me go ahead and read this that's on the side. And also this little pamphlet thing that they gave Castley and some things to read. Alright, so it says, Parfums de Marly revives the splendor of the lifestyle of Chateau de Marly, a place dedicated to pleasure and celebration. Hot perfumery respecting French savior fare with audacious compositions of noble ingredients, the refinement of the 18th century during a prism of modernity. A radiant and vibrant fragrance opening with citrusy notes of bergamot, fresh ginger, oils enhanced by rich spicy thyme pepper, refined by akagala wood, and noble ambery notes of labdanum, conveying confidence and audacity. Well, I could smell the spice in it, so I would say this is definitely a spicier, and spicier as in like it has a not Middle Eastern, but kind of something like a. This kind of sticks out to me. I don't know if it could be the akagala wood, but I don't know if it's like coriander or something that's in it. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it up just in case there's extra notes that they don't talk about that may be on Fragrantica. So top notes: bergamot, black pepper, ginger. Middle notes: pepper, neroli, petitgrain, and timber. Base notes: akagala wood, benzoin, and labdanum. I'm assuming it's benzoin because this specific note kind of always sticks out to me. And it's kind of the same reason. It's kind of the same note in, kind of the same note in Popular Fico. Let me check. Let me check to see if by any chance it has a. No, doesn't. Maybe in Popular Fico it's the coriander, but I don't know if those notes are similar or not. But that kind of stuff kind of sticks out on me. What I'm going to say is that I would say Sedley is better, even though I haven't even given this fragrance a full wearing yet. I like the freshness, fresh spiciness, the kind of shaving foam feel of Castley. I mean, of Sedley. This feels more of like a, kind of like a fresh, I don't know. It's like weirdly fresh, weirdly spicy. It's a weird mix. That's like for those that love to wear fragrances like homages that are really, use a lot of spices and stuff like that. Not including Reflection Man, but a lot of the other fragrances want something lighter for the summer. I would say you're probably going to enjoy this, but if it's someone that you enjoy like the fresh, and you're expecting to be like Sedley, as in like the aromatic shaving foam kind of feel, you'll probably be a little bit let down. Is it a full bottle worthy for me? I don't think so. I will probably give the sample a wearing. Maybe that note goes away, but at least on my skin it's really prominent, and it's kind of all I smell. So it's probably something I'm gonna have to like spray behind the neck or something, just to keep it away from my nose. If not, I'll probably be smelling it all day. That's gonna drive me crazy. So yeah, definitely something interesting. Some are saying it's the best of their house. I wouldn't say so. They still forget about Herod. I think Herod is still the best of the house. And yeah, I mean, I'll give it a full wearing one of these days whenever I get the chance, and I will talk about it further in a weekly rotation video. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys.